Customer Experience News is a weekly newsletter and a video about the most important news and discussions for customer experience and customer support leaders. I'm on week 2 of working from home with my daughter because of the snowpocalypse that hit Tennessee, while no snow will slow down the January updates from SaaS products for CX teams. Today, February 5th, 2026, we have 10 updates for you from Notion, Intercom, Zendesk, Helply, Lorikeet, Sierra, Decagon, Pluno, Plane, and Zipchat. But first, a quick word from our sponsor, Rush to Resolution. You've got ambitious support targets and new metrics, but you're not sure where to prioritize first. The list is long, the queue is getting longer, and you don't have time to step back and think about CX strategically. What if you could pressure test your thinking with someone who's spent 20 years building customer support operations? No pitch, just a conversation. Visit rushtoresolution.com/connect and schedule a conversation with me. Now, let's dive into the CX news. This is all the weekly news that you need in and around 5 minutes. Notion acquired Embra, the AI platform known for its graph context engine that powers B2B AI agents. Embra's technology has deployed over 15,000 custom agents, summarized 50,000 plus meetings, and analyzed millions of emails over the past 3 years. At Notion, the immediate focus using Embra's technology is enhancing meeting notes, which is a feature Notion AI already offers, but the bigger vision is ambitious. Embra's CEO says, "We want to 100x the amount of information that goes into Notion to make it the de facto data system for agents." For support teams already using Notion as a knowledge base, this acquisition signals deeper AI capabilities on the horizon. Embra's strength was ingesting multimodal data like meetings, emails, documents, and building contextual relationships between them. Combined with Notion's existing AI features, search, chatbot, writing assistant, and research tools, this could position Notion as a central hub for AI agents that need rich organizational context. Intercom launched their January 2026 product updates for Fin on YouTube. A major highlight is the introduction of the automation rate metric in the updated performance report, which serves as a new northstar metric by measuring what percentage of all inbound conversations Fin resolves. This metric provides a more accurate picture of Fin's impact than the previous resolution rate alone, as it accounts for the involvement rate, the total number of conversations actually being funneled to Fin. The update also features a revamped optimized dashboard, which provides targeted suggestions across content, data, and actions to help Fin resolve more queries with just few clicks. Also, Fin is able to send images and GIFs directly in its responses, pulling visual context from Help Center articles, PDFs, and HTML. This feature is live for all users at no extra cost. Zendesk published their monthly release notes with a lot of updates. The main AI updates you need to know are: you can search for specific content in the dialogue builder, Copilot intent quality recommendations help resolve duplicate intents, and real-time AI suggestions in the contact center gives call center agents assistance during live phone calls. The feature transcribes calls in real time using the transcript to understand call intent and searches Help Center articles to provide relevant suggestions, helping agents resolve issues faster and more accurately. Zendesk also redesigned messaging notifications, giving the UI a fresh new look. Helply, an AI agent platform, launched their product this week. On LinkedIn, the founder states their guarantee: 65% AI resolution rate in 90 days, or you pay nothing. Alex says further in his message, "We're not selling you software and wishing you luck. I'm guaranteeing the outcome or giving you your money back." Lorikeet, an AI support agent platform, launched Coach, an AI-powered QA agent that evaluates 100% of support conversations, both human and AI, against customer quality standards, replacing the typical 2 to 5% manual sampling approach. The tool operates via natural language queries in Slack, ChatGPT, or Claude, asking questions like, "Why did CSAT drop last week?" and automatically diagnoses issues while proposing one-click fixes. Sierra launched Expert Answers, a feature that automatically converts human agent resolutions into draft knowledge articles for review, closing the feedback loop between escalations and AI agent training. When the AI agent hits a knowledge gap and hands off to a human, Expert Answers learns from the resolution and generates reviewable content that improves future handling of similar questions. Decagon launched pre-built templates for AI agent workflows, integrations, and QA monitoring to help CX teams deploy faster without engineering support. Customizable templates cover common use cases like order tracking, CRM handoffs, and automated quality assurance. Pluno now lets you link a single Zendesk ticket to multiple Jira issues and Slack threads simultaneously, replacing the previous one-to-one limitation. This enables cross-platform collaboration on complex issues while consolidating context around severity, impact scope, and resolution progress in one place. Plain launched thread summary cards, providing a quick overview for quicker conversation handoffs. The summary includes what the request is, what happened so far, and what still needs attention with next steps. Zipchat now sends AI follow-up messages through WhatsApp instead of sending generic, "Hey, still there?" messages, and it works across channels and uses the full chat context to send smart, relevant follow-ups. This wraps it up for this week. You can find links directly to these product updates on our website at cx-news.com. Find us on LinkedIn, YouTube, Spotify, and Instagram. Thanks for watching or listening to Customer Experience News. Have a great day and a productive week.